And I see that today you're sitting with a mask, an N95 mask around your neck. But in April, it was the same Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma who said there's no need for masks in a state where there is no more coronavirus. If we rewind the clock and take it back to April, would you still have made that statement? Do you think that was an irresponsible statement?
Nabika, sometimes people do not try to understand what we say. That was the time when Congress party has unleashed their propaganda that we are going to impose the lockdown immediately after the election, and during the lockdown we are going to manipulate the EVMs and we are going to turn around the election result in our favor. So in that context, I have said that why we have to impose lockdown. Today we don't have COVID cases literally. On the day when I gave that interview, that day Assam registered 20 or 25 COVID cases. So in the month of April or in the month of March or in the month of February or in the month of January, nobody used to wear masks in Assam. Nobody means, I'll say the majority of people used not to wear masks because that time there was no COVID in Assam. That was the factual situation. So today America has said that there is no required to wear masks. Suddenly after 4 months a new variant of COVID strike back America supposedly. Then will not American president will say no, I withdraw our earlier instruction, now everybody has to wear masks. So we are dealing a developing situation. That was a political answer to a political question. I don't know why people has a habit of literally twisting things, and just discount our contribution to the management of the COVID. Nabika, I wear PP kit, I entered into the ICU every day literally. I go to cremation ground to personally see that every last rites conducted nicely. We ensure like from remdesivir, plasma, oxygen, get surplus in Assam. So those who troll me, I want to ask them one single question. Come to Assam, see our contribution, see what we did in COVID pandemic, then troll me. Today also I came from inside the ICU wearing PP kit because I feel that we have to be with the health worker at this point of time. State like Assam has initiated free vaccination even for 18 to 44 years. I don't know why people goes after sentence and discount your whole life contribution and keep on pestering only on one sentence which was uttered because of your political compulsion.
Well, Himanta Biswa Sarma, you have tweeted today about the statement or the tweet made by Mr. Hemant Soren of Chief Minister of Jharkhand. I want to ask you, the opposition has blamed the centre and said they haven't done enough, no warning, no preparation. And today this tweet coming in from Hemant Soren, which has created a political controversy. People say that even the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he was the Chief Minister, said many things about Dr. Manmohan Singh, the then Prime Minister. So it's all right if Hemant Soren says some factual things, he hasn't abused anyone. Do you agree with that statement?
Nabika, today India is facing an extraordinary situation. We need blessings of Prime Minister, we need cooperation of Prime Minister, and collectively we have to own this war. So if it would have been Hemant Soren tweeted on some political context, it is fine. But Prime Minister Modi has called him to know about the COVID situation in Jharkhand out of empathy, out of his responsibility, out of his duty. If you do this kind of tweet, then will you get another phone call? Will PM would like to call you again? So you have to think about people of Jharkhand at this time. You have to work in a manner that so that you get more remdesivir, you get more oxygen, you get more help from the central government. This is the time where you have to work with the Prime Minister whoever he may be. So if you tweet it with this kind of way that Man ki baat bola, fir kuch bhi nahi kiya, is it not a fact that every day we are getting help from the central government? Is it not a fact that Prime Minister is working 18 to 19 hours every day for the people of India? So how can you do this? We appreciate even you work for your people. We also appreciate that yes, Hemant Soren himself might be doing whole lot of things for the people of Jharkhand at this moment. This is not the time when COVID, we are talking about COVID, we are talking about death, we are talking about oxygen. This is not the time that you go on tweeting in a manner which actually jeopardizes center-state relation, COVID situation, COVID pandemic. Is it the time to do all these things?